This is just one case I'm taking of Lindsay Lohan, and yeah, Parent Trap. You see, she's just a teenager at that time, young girl, in Parent Trap. So then Freaky Friday was a big hit. Herbie was a big hit. So many movies, wonderful movies she did. Well, let's take the example of Lindsay Lohan here. What happens, when they get into this kind of activities like drugs and alcohol and all that? Lindsay Lohan got arrested 5 times for DUI. DUI means driving under influence. Influence of what? Influence of alcohol. 5 times she got arrested for DUI, and 5 times cases were filed. She has a photograph where she's wearing the jail clothes and prisoner clothes, and she has been photographed. So this causes forgetfulness of one's real identity. Tell me, what is our real identity? Yeah, so that's our real identity, right? We are soul, we are part and parcel of God. That is forgotten. All of these things, and because we forget our real identity, it causes a fear of the temporary nature. So all of these things, you become fearful of fleeting fame, motivated relations, flickering friendships, or I become fearful of all of these things, momentary love, right? And that, what happens, because I become fearful, I forcibly try to maintain my ownership falsely on things that I have, like say my wealth and expensive clothing, snazzy gadgets and fancy bikes and cars. So even after doing all of these things, she was still frustrated. Okay, and this frustration caused loneliness, depression, and that led to anger. She had terrible temper tantrums. Sometimes she would misbehave even with the policemen who were trying to arrest her or retain her. And some kind of a prima donna attitude, or nobody is better than me kind of an attitude. Okay, and all of these leads to self deception. So this self-deception is what led them to intoxication and extreme behavior. Today, if you see, the pace, the variety and intensity of diversions and distractions are tremendously increased. So all of these things result in frustration and not satisfaction. Like the camel, you see, it is an example in the Srimad Bhagavatam, right? So it is chewing on thorns, and because of which it is tasting its own blood and thinking that it is very happy. Oh, the thorns are so tasty, like that. Something which has no taste, thorns have no taste. The camel is spending its own blood and thinking that there is taste in the thorn. This is how sometimes modern entertainment is. There is actually nothing but our creative potency. We invest in that, and then we think that, oh, that is giving me enjoyment. Right, like that. Okay, so William Wordsworth, William Wordsworth, right? He says, getting and spending. Get, more, more, and spending. Money you get, and spending. We lay waste our powers, our creative potency, our ability to create something. All these powers, we lay waste to them. Little we have in nature that is ours. So doing this again and again and again, we lose our real nature. Eventually, what is not ours is what remains with us. So that is what Wordsworth is saying.